Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? Okay, so, welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how we can utilize the Microsoft Excel functionalities to solve the algebraic and Olympiad math algebra problems, right? And we have focused on essay logic, and we are thankful to them for sharing such a nice presentations with them, and we are utilizing their equations, but the difference is that we are focusing on Excel, application of Excel skills and technologies and functionalities to do all these things, right? So nevertheless, we request all our viewers to go through, for especially those who are the students, they must learn it, how to do it on a piece of paper, as explained by the essay logic in their presentation, right? Uh, so what we are showing you that how you can arrive at the answer using the Excel, right? So in our previous video, that was part one of this, in which we showed you that the same uh, code, uh, which was working, which was by just double clicking, it could take you to the answer 1.924. The same code, that is that this double click event, if used in any other problem, so you don't need to write a new code, and it will come up with the answer without making any amendment in the program. So there is no hard coding, right? Similarly, if you try this on this, it is the same code, which is a double click event, uh, and it is coming up. And if we come back to our ongoing problem, this is which we are which we are focusing, right? And we use the same code, and this is the single code, and it will automatically uh, find out this time we will not delete it. We will delete these two things here. Okay, right? Because the difference is here that the input cell is now shifted from here to there. These are stage one and stage two. These are going to be there, whereas this is a formula, and this value is to be monitored. Then when it reaches to 7, then it means your values of A and B are found. So we are not going to delete this, otherwise we lose this formula. Okay, so what we do is we double click it. The same code is working. It will smartly find out that now uh, it is asking for two values, A value and B value, right? So it would ask you to confirm that target value. Our target value in this yellow cell, it is 7. Okay, we click 7. So it has worked out these two answers. The first is if you put 5 in here and put 1 in here, so this will be 7. If you try it, 5 and put 1 in here, so this is the 7. That's right. Okay. The other value is 1 and 3. Okay. If you put 1 in here, right, and we put 3 in here, right, as a value of B, right, so it is again 7. So the answer is rightly achieved by the same procedure. Only we have made the enhancement so that it can cater this value, in which in all our previous problems, our input cell was only 1. That was the yellow highlighted cell. So, but this time our input value cell is not this one. It is A and B. right? So it's not input means it's a variable which is going the values of which will be tested by the system that which value will suit it so that this value gets to 7. It's a sort of our homemade goal seek. Goal seek does the same thing, right? But it has only one cell to change, right? But we have two cells, A and B, right? So that's why. So this is how it is working. I hope you liked it, and we show you the code logic of it. View. That's we go code language. So this is our code. Uh, in which it starts with a double click, and when it finds that the the you have a formula in the input cell to check row. So if it is a formula, then it's going to uh, go to this get adjustment. So it will start adjusting in the variable values. Hence, it will get you the result, right? And otherwise, if this is not a formula, it means it is the input cell. Then this is the cell on which uh, the x value of x is normally worked out. So, so in because this is as you can see, there is no formula in it, and this is uh, the system will use this to try uh, to get to the answer, right? It will keep on changing the value of this so that you have the right answer. Okay. So whereas here it will not use this. It will because this is a formula, so it will start changing these two values. So 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 it has the two answers. One answer is that when the value of A is 5, and the value of B is 1, then it gets set to 7. And when the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 3, then it's still you get the same answer. So this is how it is made. We showed you how to enhance your logic to accommodate different scenarios in while working out these algebraic problems. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.